Alright guys, welcome to part 5 of the tutorial series for Godot. My name is Siobhan. Okay, so today I'm gonna go over UI and globals, and also I'm gonna go over like collectibles using Area2D. So first, let's create the Area2D. We're gonna use, say, a coin, for example. I'm gonna use the regular icon for a coin. So let's create a new scene and make it 2D scene. Then just drag this icon in. It's gonna automatically create a sprite. There you go. Then let's make sure it's at 0. It's position 0 0. So let's add a, or we could just change this type to area now. Area2D. Where are you? Change around. Area2D. Alright, and then need to add a shape. Collision shape. I think I had it here. Should I need to write it? Collision shape 2D. Go over here, make it a square, and increase the size. About there. Add a, let's change the name to coin. And then create a class on it. So it's gonna be a coin. Let's put it in the scripts folder. Great. So now we're using the on body entered node signal. It's pretty straightforward. It goes right there, and we just say if body that name is equal to player. You have to make sure player is not uppercase, and it is uppercase, so player. You want to get rid of it. So to delete an item from the scene, you call query free. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry for my accent, I don't know. But we'll also want to, let's add a comment. Add points. So as I said, I was gonna go over the UI today too. So let's save that as a coin scene. Sure. We can go here. Here. The world. Attach a coin scene. Oop. It's actually huge. So we could actually go and resize it over by its original scene. Let's go back over here. Let's scale it down a bit. Go here, inspector, scale 0.2, 0.2. Look for the icon, then scale this guy down to match. And zoom in now. So we know it's technically smaller, so save that. Go back over here. No, it's that size. Actually, let's change the color. So you go to the sprite, visibility, modulate, make it yellow. That should be good. Save the world. Then just duplicate this a bit. Duplicate. So Control D a couple of times. Move him over. Now you could enable snapping. Let's go at that. And that. 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 And that. There you go. Now save. So we could test this right now. You'll see that it get removed. So we just collected those coins, but all it does is remove it. So we need to add points. So let's create a quick UI system. So go create a new scene. And it's gonna be a user interface. Could change this type, change it to a canvas layer. Canvas layer. Here you go, down here. And add label. label. And could call this points or something like that. Oops. Points. Create a script for it. Let's call it UI first. Create a UI script. Put it in the scripts. Okay, it's there already. Alright. So we have to get a reference to the points label. Actually, let's make sure don't get confused. So points label. Go back in the script. Say var on ready var points label. And then set it to number sign to call a reference for the children, this current class children, and then it's points label. Then we could say here let's say first UI scene. Okay, so points label dot text is equal to str meaning string and then 0. Let's put that in the starting on ready at ready. And then you're gonna do more right here. So let's go back to coin. So right here we're gonna say get tree. Oops. Get tree dot get root dot get node. So we need to get the node from here. So we're gonna, let's attach that script right now. So the UI, I just attach the UI to the world. So let's say world UI and then lib world UI. I'm sorry. Hold on. Where am I? Okay, node. You have to type it here. So world slash UI. And then you say add score, add points, and give it say 1. So we have to create this method over by the other side. Go to UI, create it here. Add points, oops, function. Add, let's just space it so I don't make a mistake. Add points, add point, then point. Let's create a score variable, a points variable for points. So that equals to 0. Then we just increment that here. Points. Increment by point. And then here could say point points label at text. Let's copy this. Move it down here. Then equal to points. Alright. That should do the trick. So save. See if we get any errors. See the 0 right there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! And that's it for this tutorial. That's a pretty short one. I'll do some more on it tomorrow. That would be Friday. I'm actually recording this prior to Thursday, so. Alright guys, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.